Alright, we got a big giant traffic jam here trying to get into the car show. There's a nice car. $59. Look at those tail lights. Alright, we have a 996 here. We got a C5. Got a C7. Got a nice Buick. 1142, wow. Alright, here is the original Mystery Machine. Scooby-Doo. You know the story. Here we have a beautiful 71 Ford Pinto runabout. It's got one of those foreign cars. 3-something Z, 350, 370, 375. Alright, one of my favorite cars ever. 66 Chevelle SS 396 Super Sport with bucket seats and a 4-speed. Now that is a car. What a cool car. Always wanted one of those. TR6 that is. It's a nice caddy. 65 Chevelle. It's an old Ford. 69 Impala. Here's the Deathmobile. This thing looks pretty interesting.
It's just like that.
Oh yeah, man. This is a daily driver, you can tell. Wow. Can you imagine getting pulled over by the cops in this thing? What do you want?
They got me to take it to some. They got a specialist.
That's all right. Nice little Grand Prix. Really nice Mustang. Really nice Camaro.
Shouldn't leave your ass in trouble.
Well, we got our passport, so we're good about it.
Oh yeah, you're better than that.
We're gonna take it.
It's Mazda Rotary. What the heck is that thing? And that's an old one. Cummins diesel. Turbo diesel. Nice effect.
Can't hear through the speakers. Everyone, you can turn your FM station 88.3. I'm on the radio, DJ Bobby, on 88.3.
Toyota Supra with, looks like a V8 Ford. 351, wow. I bet that'll surprise a few people. '69 Chevelle. It's a car I've always wanted and never got one. These are great cars. $327, $396. Nice.
My practice run, I did 11:11. My car's
Got a traffic jam here.
on my next race.
All of my sons go.
Oh, that's a nice 62.
Got a ton of parts in there, sitting there, motors sitting there, full motors.
Wow, that's really cool.
I mean, where are you gonna find a shit? These two have templates. That thing is spotless.
That is the original SUV. Right there.
I think he might have bought the 1540.
These cars are underrated. Two-seater sports car. It came with a 390, a 401, I think it was, or I think you could even get a 343. Yeah, there you go, 343. Somebody's trying to save money back then. But still, a neat car. All right, here's a car from 1958. Aren't we glad that 1958 is over with? I know I am. Ah yes, the Ford Galaxy XL with the 427. Whoa, what's it all mean? Well, it usually means you get 3 2-barrels. And I forget what code this is, FE motor or something like that. But they're pretty quick. And this one has a nice Hurst 4-speed to rip through the gears and fly on down the highway. See, back in the 60s and 70s, A&W, it was a place to hang out if you had a muscle car and you just wanted to come and hang out with your friends, get a frosty root beer, and set up a good race. And that's what we did. And this is kind of reliving that experience. My dad had one of these back in the day.
I remember. He had an old Indian too, didn't he?
Yeah, he restored that. He had a Triumph TR6. He had some cool stuff. But the Porsche, I think, was... Well, nobody back then would have imagined they would be bringing the money they are now.
Yeah.
He just had for a daily driver, you know. 61. Opel Cadet, or not Cadet, but Opel Corvette, or whatever they called it, I forget. These guys having fun.
I got pictures. If I remember next year I come to the show, I'll bring it. I got pictures from Michigan where we're sitting there on a motorhome and Richard and Kyle pull up in a rented Thunderbird. Don't let her take off. Hey, Wiz! Are you lost?
Batmobile. Yeah. He had a 68 though. Nice. All right, so that was the car cruise. We got to get out of here early because I'm burning out. Crazy, man.